Hey there guys, what is up? Today's tutorial will show you how to convert PDFs to MS Word documents. But before we begin, enjoying our videos, consider subscribing or dropping a like. With that said, let's dive in. First, what you need to do is open your browser and search File Converter. So what you want is the top of the list, which is online-convert.com. That is online-convert.com. Clicking on that will bring you to its homepage. Scroll down and you will see Document Converter. This is where you will be able to convert your file for free. Next, scroll down until you see Convert to Doc. Afterwards, you can either drag your file or click Choose File for the file you want to convert. Once you've chosen the file, the conversion will begin. After the process is done, you can now download your file. It's that simple. Hope the video helped. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon, and we'll see you on the next video.